Good morning everyone. Excuse the clip. I'm trying anything to keep these baby hairs down. This is a clip from IGK. It's like one of those hairdresser clips. I have these like short bits of hair that have grown back because when you're pregnant you lose all your hair and then it grows back and they literally just like shoot straight up. I've tried hairspray, everything. Anyway, that is why I'm wearing a clip. Today is, God, I don't even know, the days are blurring. I think it's Thursday. Rich isn't working today, that's how I know. I think he's gonna do a little online baby course, a baby like class with Gray this morning. And I haven't got a massive list of things to do today because I did a lot on Monday when I was working. But I've got like a internal kind of marketing video that I need to film for someone about how the coronavirus is affecting influencer marketing, which is quite an interesting topic to discuss. What else do I need to do? I don't even know. I need to eat some breakfast. That's what I need to do because I'm really hungry. I just got a very sparkly delivery and I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to open it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. A massive thing of sweets. I think this is from Caroline Hirons. She told me, Anna and Ruth, to expect something in the post. Oh my god, such a good present, Caroline. It's got mushrooms in it as well. They're my favorite sweets. Look at all the different sweets. Yes. This is what I got for my breakfast. Yogurt, honey, fruit. Using up some fruit before it goes off, and then I'm gonna sit. This is my daily planner from Papersmiths. I'm gonna write a little to-do list for today. Okay, I'm gonna start the day by going through my emails because I feel like my brain's not really with it yet, so that's something that I can just sit and do in silence. I'm seriously lacking in motivation today. I think this is probably the least motivated I've been this whole time. I've actually, up until now, found it quite like I quite enjoyed the challenge of, you know, it's almost like I had an invisible brief. The brief is, I'm stuck at home, my audience all stuck at home, make stuff that they're gonna enjoy. And that's kind of like in my head how I've been doing it, and I've actually feel like I've been more creative than ever, which is so bizarre. And I've like started doing TikToks, and yeah, I think it's been good, but today it's just like, woo, like flat. I feel really flat. I haven't got the motivation to do anything or think of any ideas, and yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening. So I might, you know, I might just use this time to kind of clear my mind a bit and might just do some cleaning, because sometimes that just makes you feel a bit better and it's just some time to clear your mind, really. I think you guys are just gonna have to watch me clean today. I might sort out my makeup drawer first because I haven't really emptied that out and cleared it for a while, and it gets, this is so gross, but it gets loads of hair in there because of my like straighteners and stuff. So I think that's where I'm gonna start. Okay, let me just clear everything that's on here. By the way, Jamie Genevieve shared the most incredible hack for washing makeup brushes. I shared it on my stories. If you missed it, it's on my TikTok. It is life-changing. So those are all freshly washed. Just gonna give this a little wipe down before I do the drawer inside. Okay, let's open this up. This is my makeup drawer. I do have some spare makeup stored elsewhere, but this is basically the stuff that I use. I mean, there's literally 5 products I use every day, but here's most of the stuff that I kind of need. So I'm gonna take everything out and then give this drawer a really good clean. See what I mean? There's like random hairs everywhere. It's so gross. So I'm gonna give this a quick hoover with my Dyson and then give it a wipe down. And now I'm gonna empty each one of these and clean inside here because these also get like random bits of dust and hair in them. Look how destroyed my GHDs are. It's such a shame because I find that the new shape where this is like more curved just don't work as well as these like original flat ones. These are just, oh my god, they're just like destroyed. Okay, that is all clean, and I think I might do a quick TikTok of that. So this is where I keep any extra makeup, so I'm just going to put these in here. Oops. We've just come into Gray's room, and this drawer under her cot, we've just realised is full of like muslins and dribble bibs and things that she just doesn't use at all. And it's such good storage. We should be using this. I'm not sure what for. Clothes and stuff, I guess. So I might clear this out quickly. And Rich, we can put all this stuff in like newborn storage. Cheeky monkey's been playing with the tripod that whole time, so sorry if it was shaky. Okay, the drawer's empty. These are big blankets. These are all muslins that we're gonna put in storage, and then I'm just gonna keep these two for when we go on planes, if we ever go on a plane again, to cover us, keep us warm. Rich, look at all this storage. This bottom drawer is either like summer swimming stuff or clothes that she, for like when she's much older, so I think I'm gonna move all this stuff into there, and then we can use this for clothes, which would be so good. Gray down for her nap, and I filmed that little marketing video that I needed to do, and I think I'm going to clean the kitchen now. I actually sorted out our larder on the weekend, which is very satisfying. I finished labelling all of these. I really need more, but obviously I can't get these at the moment. I think the big ones IKEA don't do online, so I will sort this out another time. Out of couscous, can't find couscous anywhere. We've sorted out a little snack box and for Gray's yogurts here, and everything just feels more organised. I need to get some pots for these as well at some point. I'm going to sort out this drawer, which is meant to be for like Tupperware, and there's like coffee cups and stuff, but it's just like a total mess and it really stresses me out, so I'm going to tidy this up. Much better. We've got some Tupperware, lids, baby stuff, coffee cups, much tidier. Okay, now I need to sort out this drawer, which has also become a total mess. Giving it a good clean because it's got all these little crumbs at the bottom. Found this little perspex, is that what it's called? Like tray thing, so you can use this. These are Gray's kind of like apron when she's eating something really messy. She doesn't use those all the time. So I can put that in there. This is an apron, like an adult apron. I just got out all of our baking trays because I realised that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's not the ones for like baking sweet things. That's for like baking veg and stuff. I just think that's too many. I'm sure we don't need all of those. I didn't realise we had them all. I wish someone like did like an essentials what you need in your kitchen. I told Anna she needs to do that actually, because I think with having all of these I've actually got stuff that I'm missing. This is my sister's, I need to give it back to her, but I need something like that, a bit bigger for when you make like mac and cheese. Also, I've just put on Instagram asking like how I can clean that. I mean, that just looks so gross, and I've tried everything to clean it and it won't clean. Look how horrendous this is. This is the oven. Oh my god, it needs a clean so badly. I'm not sure I'm quite ready for this. I think I might have to do this on the weekend. Okay, hair is up and I've changed clothes because I've decided I'm gonna tackle the oven. I don't know why I'm doing this today, but I am. Look how disgustingly dirty it is. Like the door is so gross. And then like, look at this. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna do my best. I think there are loads of like tricks. Like apparently you're meant to soak these in a bath with like laundry detergent or whatever it's called for hours. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put them in the sink and soak them and just do my best. I don't even know if I've got a scourer, but I'm gonna try and clean this. Okay, these are all soaking in the sink. I actually did put in one of my like tabs, washing up tabs. I have no idea, like the sort of ones you put in with clothes. I have no idea if that's gonna work. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get cleaning this. Okay, it's 4 parts of baking soda, 1 part water. Wait, I was watching an American video and it said baking soda. I've got baking powder or bicarbonate of soda. So what's baking soda? Okay, I googled it and Americans baking soda is our version of bicarbonate of soda. So what did I say? 3 parts of this and then 1 part water. I'm gonna use this. I think you need quite a lot because you basically, you put it all over it like it's a paste. Okay, I didn't want to use up too much, so I kind of just made it up, but you basically, I think, just want this kind of like paste. Okay, I'm gonna use this little baking brush and just like put basically a load of this on like the dirtiest parts. This is what this YouTube video that I was just watching said to do. And then you leave that for like 30 minutes. Okay, I've made some more of that paste because I'm going to use it on the inside of the door. This looks more therapeutic than it actually is. It's like trying to paint slushy snow onto a surface. Okay, let's leave that and see what happens. I've clearly never cleaned an oven before. This is like not doing anything. I've just ordered some of the pink stuff. Apparently that's going to help. I think I might have to revisit this another time because I haven't even got one of those metal scourer things. Okay, let's start scrubbing this and see. Oh, that is just not coming off. Oh, I'm gonna have to order that stuff. This is a massive fail. I mean, it's getting a bit of the dirt off, but it's not spotless. It's not like those before and after cleaning videos you see on Instagram, that's for sure. Okay, let me just do this bit, and then I think I might come back to this next week. Well, that's worked a bit better. This bit's working better. It's probably because it's like looser dirt. Well, that was such a fail. I'd say the grates were like a little bit better, but not clean. I'm gonna look into this properly and not be so spontaneous. And if you guys have any advice on cleaning an oven, that's what we're probably going to do next week. I just made a really crappy IGTV about making coffee that I'm not sure will ever see the light of day. But if it does, it will be on my Instagram. We're gonna go for a walk because Rich is like, you are in the weirdest mood. I am in the weirdest mood. So we're gonna go get some air. I feel so much better now. We went for a really nice long walk and yeah, it's just so good to get some fresh air. Rich has managed to convince me to do a workout, not even with him, by myself. But I saw that Estee did this like dance workout. I think it's the same one. And it looks like something that I might, like, I wouldn't go as far as saying enjoy, but I might not hate because it's to music, it's in time, it's like got a rhythm and that, I like that. It's kind of like dancing, working out. So I'm gonna change into my workout clothes. Can't believe I'm even doing this, but I'm just gonna give it a go. I think it also might entertain Gray. Okay, I have 1 set of workout clothes. M&S sports bra, Lululemon leggings, and a Lululemon top. Oh my god, that was only 3 minutes. It was so hard. It was so hard to get the like moves and do each move right. I'm gonna attempt to run around the block because that was only 3 minutes and I tried to do it again and I got bored. I never ever run, so this might be a fail, but I just feel like while I'm in my workout gear, I'll try literally around the block. It'll be like a really short one. Okay, I couldn't really do more than a minute of running without getting a stitch. I'm gonna finish tidying the kitchen because look at the mess by the sink. We've cleared all of Gray's toys. We've cleared the floor. So Gray, your favourite thing, where's the remote gone? Are you ready? Are you ready to see your friend? Okay, ready? Where is he? Look! Look! Wow! She loves him. So he's gonna go around the room now. Yes, this is lazy, but it's also the best thing I've ever bought. Rich just said, oh, Gray just hit me with her rice cake.
Oh, I can see it.
Is it on?
I can see it.
It's hummus.
Yeah.
We've got food delivery coming tonight. We actually signed up for some regular slots before any of this happened, so luckily that's still kind of going ahead for us. I think we've got a couple more weeks of that, and then we're going to be in the same boat as everyone, struggling to get slots and stuff. We are signing up for a veg box, and yeah, we're good for food. But we've got some stuff coming tonight that we ordered a little while ago, so I'm just clearing the fridge and making sure there's room for everything. We're being so good at the moment of using everything up, nothing's going to waste. Quite enjoying the challenge. Fridge has been fully cleaned recently, like it is spotless. And I got this Lazy Susan from Amazon, which I absolutely love. Nice little organisation thing. Okay, I'm gonna edit that IGTV and see how it came out, and then we're gonna make dinner, and then I'll edit this video. Okay, our food shopping has arrived, and at the moment I'm just taking like extra care to wipe things down. So things that can't come out of the packaging, especially if they're like tin, then I'll just give them a little wipe down. And then if something comes in plastic, and it doesn't necessarily have to be in plastic, like avocados, spinach kind of has to stay in the plastic, avocados, certain veg, red peppers, I'm just gonna take them out of the plastic and put them straight into the fridge. And yeah, just being a little bit extra careful than I probably used to be. Unloading the fruit. Gray is obsessed with satsuma. Any fruit that we eat the skin, we obviously wash before we eat it. There's no point washing it before putting it in here. That is a very lovely, full looking fruit basket we have there. We also got a bit of self-raising flour, so I'm just gonna top up this box because it's empty. Rich is gonna go drop some stuff at my parents' house because they can't leave their house and they haven't managed to get an online slot, so we just added a few extra things to our shopping for them. I'm just making our HelloFresh, and this recipe, which is soy honey glazed prawns, it basically told me to fry red onion, put a bit of balsamic vinegar in, and then add bulgur wheat and water. And I just think that is going to make it taste so delicious. It's quite an easy tip actually to make something like bulgur wheat a bit more interesting. All you need is a red onion and a bit of balsamic, which everyone kind of has in their cupboard. Just left my dinner cooking to pop outside and clap, because in the UK every Thursday 8 PM we're going outside our houses and clapping to thank the NHS, and it's always so emotional and amazing. Everyone's banging pots and pans. Also, I don't understand why it doesn't wake Gray. Literally, the bin men wake Gray. The tiniest noise in the house wakes Gray, but then our whole street, like whooping and banging pans, doesn't wake her. Maybe she knows. Maybe she knows it's for a good reason. Okay, this is our dinner. It smells delicious, although I forgot to put the stock in the bulgur wheat, which is very annoying. We are gonna eat this, tidy up, put all the toys back in place, and I'm gonna leave the vlog here. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.